Hi you guys, this is one of 5 parts in a series on how to change a flat tire on your 2005 Yukon Denali XL, also for 2000 through 2006. This is so you can quickly get to the part that you need to refresh yourself about. If you need a refresher on changing your spare tire and what it takes, just click on the upper right hand corner and it will take you to this specific video. The first one is to find the location of the jack kit. The second video is where is your spare tire and how do you remove it. The third video is about how to jack your SUV up. The fourth video is how do you remove your tire and replace it with your spare tire. And the fifth video is what does the jack instructions say on my spare tire toolkit. So with that, if you ever wondered what it takes to fix a flat on your Yukon, well, the first thing you want to do is look at your jacking instructions. Your jacking instructions are located on your toolkit. If you don't know where your toolkit is, watch video number 1. It'll help you find it. Now, you can go in your car and take it out and look at it, or you can watch this video. This video is going to save you some time from having to go to your Yukon and figure out and pull out the toolkit. And on the toolkit, it'll have the jacking instructions. Okay, this is a part of the video you're going to be glad that you stopped and looked at this video. When you pull out your toolkit, it's going to look like this. This is a factory toolkit. I happened to find this one after I bought a new one. As you can see here, the instructions are very vague. Well, in my new jack toolkit, the instructions are more detailed. So again, you may want to look at this video and study it. That way, when you do get a flat, you're ready to go. Okay, with that, let's get into the video. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!